Warning, viewer discretion advised. Only one injury occurred in the making of this video. Longhaul Lifesavers discourages you from trying this at home. Cut a mullet at your own risk. Disclaimer, we don't know what we're doing. So these are our friends, Heather and Jordan. Make sure and give them a thumbs up for this awesome mullet.
Why do I have your hair all over my computer?
John, what are we doing today?
I'm working. You guys are cutting mullets.
It's mullet time! Shake it, Jordan, shake it. So he's got long hair right now.
We have all this beautiful hair here. We're gonna twist this one because this one's getting cut. Now we have to protect this hair.
Do you need a ponytail? Okay, let me go find one.
This part.
For the first time ever, I'm on board with the peanut gallery.
What was your suggestion, John?
Pulling up a picture of a mullet so that way you can work off the picture.
We're starting somewhere. See what happens with this.
Oh boy.
Is that what you want? You want a little shaved on the sides? I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, I know you don't. That's why I'm getting really freaking scared.
See how upset he's getting?
God almighty. I know you don't know what you're doing.
You'll be alright. Worst case scenario, you just have a bald head for a few days. You look good in a hat.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, Morgan, a little bit of help here. Okay.
No, okay.
There's John. He couldn't wait any longer.
All right.
John's getting involved.
Okay.
Oh.
We don't need it. This is gonna stay long.
Yeah.
This is gonna be shorter.
That's gonna be shorter. Yeah, just clip that up for now.
Welcome to the party, buddy.
Yeah,
Thank you.
unfortunately, Jesus. I don't know how I get worked into this. Okay.
Because it's fun.
That needs to be pinned up because
This-
that's part of his hair.
Yeah.
This whole section here needs to be
All right.
up.
Where's a Bobby's pin?
We're about to see John's mad hair skills. Is that what?
Why won't this clip? Okay, I need a bobby pin.
Here, push it in. Like this.
Okay.
Oh,
It
no,
doesn't-
wait, it's the other way.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. This is a barrette.
Yes.
So push against me. There you go.
This is the stupidest thing in the world.
I agree.
John, I knew you always wanted to be a barber.
Where's the... This one.
Hey, what number is that guy?
It's a 2. It's just for your neck hair. Chill out.
Tell the viewers, John, what are you using now?
Oh my gosh, a peanut. That's what I used to trim my balls with.
I know the one that I found. That one.
That one?
I mean, that's as close as it's gonna
That's
get.
shaved on the sides, though. That's like super shaved.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want it shaved?
No, I mean a 3. It's got to be a 3. 'cause
I have a
can
4.
Fix it.
I have a 4, so if we want to go...
I would just do a 3. You get in here and do the scissors. I'm scared now. I mean, guys, this is a mullet. We're not exactly going for
Yeah.
Style.
coiffure.
Yeah, but right now it's like an undercut.
It's not an undercut.
Oh, that part is.
You have guide barbers, right?
Yeah, they're pros.
Yeah. Why are we doing this again?
I have no idea.
Because you bet him that he wouldn't go to a customer's house with a mullet.
Oh yeah, that was a $50 bet too, huh? I remember
I
that
don't
now.
believe that. Believe that in the slightest. Get that one out of there.
Oh, that's a cute little bang. Jordan, have you ever had a mullet before?
Oh God, no.
No. But you have had dreadlocks.
Okay, here we go on the sides.
Okay.
No turning back.
Clippers are on.
Good Lord, that's crazy.
It's a 4, so...
Wow. God, you're going way high.
How are you feeling, Jordan?
I'm scared.
Keep that line, that hard definition line right there.
Oh my gosh. Listen to me. I can't even see it.
wish you guys could see Quinn in the background right now.
I only thought about doing this for a little while, and now I really wish I had more time to mull it over. I should really be careful about saying puns whenever John has sharp things in his hand.
Right?
Gonna stab me and put it into it. Just think about stabbing you.
And that makes me laugh.
Don't pinch my ear, Jack.
I'm going to.
Let Heather do that. You're scaring me. God bless.
What?
You know I'm gonna have to go to the barber tomorrow and fix this, right?
I am your barber. I'm the captain now.
She's been begging me for a year to cut my hair.
Let Heather do it, John.
You want to do it, Heather?
No, we'll let you finish your side.
Huh?
We'll let you finish your side.
Okay.
Heather can do the
You
layering.
can do the top.
So your face.
Here, let's turn this way. Okay, don't move.
Now you're gonna be staring at me from head on, gazing into my baby blues.
It's actually like super even. Okay.
Is it?
Yeah.
Awesome.
All right, Heather,
All
you're
right.
up. So all this stays.
All that
This gets trimmed.
cut. Okay, and how? Well,
Don't forget all these.
yeah.
Remember, you can always take more off.
Yes.
How's that USAA certification coming, John?
Well, I gotta hit continue.
Coming real good.
Quinny, are you enjoying this? Oh, she went for it.
Okay, be careful, because remember, like John said, it's gotta blend with the top.
She's doing all right. She knows what she's doing here.
Yeah, all the practice you've had cutting mullets, I'm very confident.
I'm not cutting a mullet right now. I'm just giving you a haircut right now. Sorry. Sorry! I pulled your pony. I know. Well, it takes a long time because I have to make sure it's all the same thing. I'm just gonna cut and then we're gonna make it pretty later. Prettier later.
I have got a, whatever, just do your thing.
Okay.
God, I'm scared to death.
It's working.
Is it though?
Yeah.
Why are you laughing so hard?
Because it makes you uncomfortable. And then that makes me laugh harder.
Is it, or are you just jacking this up so bad that I'm gonna have to shave my head?
No, it'll be fine.
Interested if this actually turns out good.
Yeah, you and me both.
Oh, did you cut yourself?
Oh, yes, I did.
Oh my god.
We have an injury. Oh my gosh. Well,
I was wondering why he has so much blood in his hair.
Go put a Band-Aid on.
No, it's dried.
It's
it's
clotted.
a,
It's like a little
nick,
scratch.
like a nick.
Yeah.
Because I don't have feeling in my finger.
Which is really what you want to hear from your
Shopping,
haircutter.
yeah.
I don't want to do it.
Are you sure?
Your face said otherwise.
I kind of want you to do it.
Well, when I was up there, you didn't.
No, I just wanted Heather
Yeah.
to have a go.
You wanted me to be But now that I'm
Now I'm
injured.
scared. Why are we doing 2 strands of hair at a time?
Well, because those are the hairs that need to get cut. What do I need?
John, help.
What do you want me to do?
Just
She's got the scissors.
tell her if it's working.
How long do you normally have your hair on top?
Well, I mean, I'm not exactly going for what I'm used to here.
No, but the top is what.
Is what you're
Yeah.
what you should normally have.
Probably like that long.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's way long. Honey, you're scaring
She
me.
has creepy eyes.
She has scary
Scissors in her
I
hand.
know.
Like, I don't know about this. Creepy eyes. I feel like that's a movie, and then someone gets stabbed.
Hold on, sit up straight before she cuts.
Honey,
Yeah.
this is crazy.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get you.
I just don't want to be sitting here for 4 hours.
Well, I told you I take forever. I told you that. We have help.
Yeah. Our help is on the computer and holding a camera.
I'm not on the computer, it's just playing in the background.
Look how pretty you are.
Yeah, I'm just wondering if you know how a mullet works. It's not going to be parted.
I know.
I gotta breathe. But I think you're taking too much time just to get it started.
Okay.
I just think of it like carving a pumpkin. You know, you don't like take a little baby spoon and take out a couple seeds. You dig out the whole thing, and then you cut your big parts, and then...
Okay. So just start cutting.
I mean, carefully, but yeah, like taking a 1/2 inch here and a 1/4 inch there isn't doing any good.
Okay.
Get rid of 6 inches.
That's what she said.
Stop it. Not real sure what you thought was gonna happen.
I didn't have the fan on. Who had the fan on? Morgan turned it on.
It looks better with the mullet blowing in the breeze.
That's right. I mean, what? Huh? What are we thinking?
I feel like the sides need to go a little shorter.
Shorter on the sides?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's the money
That
right there.
is the money.
That's the money.
There we go.
Gotta get that part.
There. There. Business
That's
in the
the money.
front.
Oh yeah, party in the back. Shake that mullet. Oh, there we go. Look at her point cutting.
Oh, sorry, sorry. Ouch.
Calm, honey. It doesn't hurt, I promise.
That's one way to do it.
That's how you're supposed to do it.
Beautiful.
John's back at it.
You know how I keep getting roped into this.
Fading in the mullet.
She just steal his chair.
Mm-hmm. What are you doing, Lucy? What are you doing? Quinn, you sleeping? Good morning. Good morning.
Dang! God, get me a Hemi.
Woo, look at that.
Y'all got a copy Auto Trader? It puts the Joe Dirt in the hole!
I'm having a footprint gas pedal installed, so I stole this pile.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Longhaul Lifesavers, saving lives one mullet haircut at a time.